In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sun visor mounting clip, which is that right there. To start the job, you want to unhook the sun visor first, push it back. Of course, if yours is broken, it's most likely already unhooked. And then you want to use a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the screw that goes up into the roof and secures this sun visor in place. Once you pull that down, this should come down with it. Discard this one, grab your new one, slide the screw right through. Try to start it into the clip. It has some little plastic tabs that help hold the screw in place. All right, start it in a little bit. That way it pokes through the other side so you can actually line it up with that. And thread it in all the way. I know it's going a little sideways, but it'll correct itself. It's only because of those plastic tabs. There we go. Once it bottoms out, make it nice and snug. Don't tighten it too much. You don't want to break anything. And then clip your sun visor back in, and off you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.